So this is the reminder for you. If I can do this, if I can speak in the front of camera, I can post this in publicly. So you can also do this. Hello everyone, I am Nandini Rathore. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have bring the not any kind of interesting topic, but just to share my experience with you. Let's discuss the most common and massive problem in the world. What is that? Speaking in English, right? Do you also think that speaking in English is a very big deal? That's a rocket science? Don't worry. Once I also thought in that way, but today I don't. You can see that I'm speaking in the front of camera, in a full of the confidence, right? But still I am in the middle of my journey. You can see speaking in the front of the camera, but still अंदर से अंदर मैं फम्बलिंग हो रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा नर्वस फील हो रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज माई फर्स्ट वीडियो. But only one thing I would say, you just need to start. You just need to start from the today, from the this moment. But in this video, I will make you sure that you start speaking in English today. So when I was in the school, I was in the गुजराती मीडियम स्कूल. आई एम गुजराती. सो वहाँ पे इंग्लिश मतलब इंग्लिश में व्हेन आई वाज इन अ 10th, I still remember that I didn't know about that we have a 12 tenses. I didn't know about it. Even if I didn't know about how to use a simple past tense, future tense, simple present tense. Because I have also come from the Brown family where speaking in English is a very big deal. You can't practice with your family member, your friends because they make fun of you, right? So it was a tough for me also. So how I started my journey? Let's discuss. I'll give you some kind of practices that you can do and you can start that how to speak in English. So let's just start. Before I start, I want to remind you that in the end, don't tell me that this kind of suggestion have given me many people. I am saying that this is because I have tried and I want you to try also because I want you to learn with me because I am also in the middle of my journey, right? And I have tried, I have improved, I have gained my confidence. That's why I am sharing.
3, 2, 1.
So very first you can try the watching series, K-dramas or any kind of movies, whatever you like, just try to watch it in English with the subtitle. You don't need to remove it. In the starting you can watch it with the subtitle. After you'll get to used to it, when you think that no, right now I am confident that what are the characters are saying, the pronunciation, the words, the accent, then you can remove it and try to concentrate that what are the words they are using, right? And it will enhance your listening skills. So please try this first. Second one, shadowing practice. I have also uploaded the short video of shadowing practice that how to do. For example, take any kind of video for the any kind of movies dialogue or any kind of podcast. You can take it, try to watch it, try what are the words they are using. If you don't know the words, write it down. If you don't want to write it down, please google it, read the meaning, understand what is the meaning of that word. Then you'll know that okay, this video about this. Now you have watched it the full video. Now try to mimic what are the sentences, how they speak, how much mouth they open, right? Are you understand what I'm trying to say? Just copy whatever they are doing, just copy. Before, learn their body languages, that how they speak with the smile, with the because English is all about moving up and down your mouth because whenever they speak with the full mouth opening. This will actually help you. So before you copy their sentences, try to copy their body languages and how they are speaking very first. And after that, you'll used to it, try to mimic in front of the mirror without the video. It will actually enhance your confidence, your English speaking skills. Fourth one, you can try what I am doing this right now. Open your camera, start to speak. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid of what people will say. I'm not saying to post. I'm not saying that you just start your channel or whatever the thing. You just need to open your camera, record yourself, and say whatever. You can pick any kind of topic. For example, what I have done today, how I spent my last day, how I spent my birthday, about any kind of gift, about any kind of favorite movie or podcast you have watched. Just start to speak in front of the camera, because you'll get to know that how you are speaking, how your mouth is open and down, how it is what are the points you need to improve it, right? You'll get the know. So this is all for the today. I hope this will help you. In the end, I just want to tell you that you have must notice some kind of mistakes in my English accent. Accent I don't need, because I am Indian. I am perfect my Indian accent. But in the grammar, in the pronunciation, I know, because as I said that I am also in the middle of my journey. So this is the reminder for you. If I can do this, if I can speak in the front of camera, I can post this in publicly. So you can also do this, right? So thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope this will help you, even if the 5%, it will be grateful for me. So please subscribe me for more than such videos. Once I'll be fluent in the English, I'll start to posting about interview question and answers. So please just subscribe me for more. Thank you for watching. Take